So here's a super quick one for you. I just want to show you how to share a design with someone. I created a video about this probably 2 or 3 years ago and it is blown up on YouTube. So I just wanted to show you again because Canva changed things a lot. So this is how to share a design with somebody. Open up your design in Canva. I've opened up this business launch template here and I want to share this with my VA or a designer or somebody who's helping me with my business launch. Click on the share button at the top. Now you have this section here appear, okay? People who are in your team, if you have teams, you can add their names, their email here and share with them straight away. But you can also change this option here. So at the moment, only I can access this design, or I can click anyone with the link. And then I copy the link here. So anyone with the link must have link to access. Then I can choose whether they can edit the design, comment on the design, or view only. If I want someone just to comment on the design, I don't want them to go and change it, I can change it to can comment, copy link, and link has now been copied to my clipboard. I can then paste this into an email, I can put it on social media, I can messenger it to someone, and now they have got this design appearing in their Canva account when they open that link. So that's it from me today, a very, very quick one there. I'm Laura, Canva creator and a Canva trainer, and I love bringing Canva trainings and tutorials to you.